guys, Darjeeling is also known as the Queen of Hills because so hello guys, good morning everybody and welcome to the channel. And this is our second day in Darjeeling, and today we'll be visiting some of the places, some of the tourist places in Darjeeling like BATASIA Loop and Happy Valley Tea Estate, and we will also try to show you tourist places. So guys, I need to refill the petrol because only 2 sticks are left. So guys, we finally came into this place, BATASIA Loop. So I'll be showing you everything. It's like we book a ticket before you enter inside this place. You have to book a ticket, and it's 30 rupees per person. And as soon as you come on top of this place, you will see the view like this. This is the BATASIA Loop. And you also will see a track, the track of toy train. The toy train is to come here and make one loop, and it will leave this place again. It is to stop for like 10 or 20 minutes. I exactly forgot. It might be around 10 or 20 minutes. So guys, I like to give a brief description about this place. This place was completely, this place was built by one of this board. It is known as Zilla Sainik Board, Darjeeling, and you can see here, this is the statue of a Gorkha soldier. This place was especially built for those soldiers who died in the war. The Gorkha soldiers who died after independence, post independence. To commemorate those Gorkha soldiers, they built this one. And you can also see the view from this side. You can also see the Kanchenjunga mountain from here, but now you see exactly it is not visible from here. You can see the clouds are blocking the Kanchenjunga mountain. So you just enjoy the view, guys. So from BATASIA Loop you can see all the mountains from here, like Kanchenjunga and Kumbhakarn, which is in Nepal and India border. So there is telescope is there, and with this telescope you can have the view of those mountains. Those mountains which I think it is not visible from here, and you can see all Darjeeling town from here. And you can also see those are like you have seen that zigzag kind of road. This is called Tea Valley, Happy Valley Tea Estate. We are planning to go there. After reaching that place, we'll show you I'll go and show you the beauty of this place, and you can see everything from here. See, the weather changes very fast here due to the higher altitude. The clouds are constantly moving from one place to another, and just enjoy the view, guys. Guys, you can see the names of those Gorkha soldiers who died after independence. These are the names you can see here. The names have been engraved and kept here nicely, and you see once again. So guys, you have seen you have seen the beauty of BATASIA Loop, and also you have seen the war memorial of the Gorkha soldiers who sacrificed their life in the year 1947 and after 1947. I mean, during independence and post independence. So now we'll be heading towards Happy Valley Tea Estate. So we are very unfortunate to see the joy ride coming to this loop, but on the way we'll try to show you the toy train, and down there you can see these are the tracks through which those toy trains used to come to BATASIA Loop. So now we'll head towards Happy Valley Tea Estate. So guys, Darjeeling is also known as the Queen of Hills because of its scenic beauty and the hills full of trees. It is known as the Queen of Hills, and it is very amazing. And I like to say one thing: a guy visiting from plain region, if they come to the hilly region, they just don't get the words to express their feelings. They just have the words like wow, amazing. So I am also here just feeling those kind of experience. Whenever I see a beautiful thing, I just want to express what to say in appreciating words like beautiful, amazing, awesome. So you see, these are the tracks, and the bus which is ahead us is the state transport bus of North Bengal. So actually this Darjeeling is situated in the northern part of Bengal. It's in this monastery, this monastery is called Choling Monastery. You can see this one from BATASIA Loop also, it is visible. Suppose if you are using that binocular, and if you see through binocular, you can see it clearly. And suppose if there is lots of clouds, then you don't be possible to see from BATASIA Loop. So much of traffic today.
दार्जिलिङमा विभिन्न इलेक्ट्रोनिक सामानहरुमा जस्तै मोबाइल फोन, ल्यापटप, कस्तो मजा हे रे लेमा रमाइलो काली ओढाली कस्तो मजा हे रे
Oh my god.
रमाइलो काली ओढाली ये हवा.
Guys, you can see here, these are the toy trains engine, and those are the bogies. You need to travel from here. This is the station, and you can get the ticket here, and from here you can travel to the BATASIA Loop, and you can also roam. I mean, you can also visit the GUM station. So this is Darjeeling, I mean, bus station, and you also will get bus as well as this sumo, everything which travels to Gangtok, West Bengal. It's like a what to say, ASTC, like Assam, no? We have got ASTC. So you see this one. This is the Happy Valley Tea Estate. Oh, and the road you see, it is very dangerous. Pray. So guys, finally we reach here at Happy Valley Tea Estate. It is one of the famous tea garden, I mean tea estate. This Happy Valley Tea Estate is the second oldest tea estate in Darjeeling. It was it was established in the year 1854. The British came here and they cultivated tea here because the tea was very famous amongst the British at that time. I mean, when they were ruling India at that time, it was very famous. The tea was very famous. And from here you can see whole Darjeeling from here. Let me show you whole Darjeeling. Okay, you have seen all these are all the buildings. I mean, this you see there, and down there you can see the tea plants, and that is the tea garden, and all those are tea gardens. I mean, tea plants, not exactly tea gardens, but it is tea plants. And you can see the road, and that is zigzag here. Lot of curves, I mean zigzag. The road is very zigzag, you see from here. Yeah, it's like that. And so guys, I want everybody to see one more thing. I'll show you. You see here, this is a rope, okay? This is the rope. I mean, through which they used to carry the tea. It is very difficult to carry the tea on the back and reach that place. There is a place where they used to process the tea, and through this rope way they used to carry and just take it there for processing, and they used to process there. So guys, if you're coming to Darjeeling, make sure you visit this place, Happy Valley Tea Estate. It is just around 2 or 3 kilometers away from Darjeeling town. I mean, what exactly I wanted to say is that it was only around 1.6 kilometers away from where we stayed. I mean, the hotel where we stayed, that is a Hotel Aristocrat. That hotel we have stayed, and from that hotel it is only 1.6 kilometers away. So if you are visiting, make sure you visit this place, and it is very good. The scenic beauty is very beautiful. So guys, finally we have stopped in one of the restaurant. We'll have our lunch, and after that we'll head to Kursing, one of the most haunted places in India, that is called Dow Hill. So you will see that one in the next episode.